Hello, parents and maybe some teachers, right? So today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of DIY science experiments. I love science experiments. I love being able to do them at home, right? So I've done some work for you. I've compiled several hands-on activities that you can do at home or in the classroom that's for curiosity, right? We want to keep those kids curious. So if you're a parent looking for a weekend project or a teacher seeking classroom activities, this video is going to show you some great activities for you to use. Now, if you're looking for content like this, subscribe to my channel and please like this video if you find value in it. So, our first point of the day is to give you the theme, right? It's all about science experiments today. Very simple and curious based experiments, right? So the first one that I absolutely love is the traditional volcano eruption, right? Mixing baking soda with vinegar creates this eruption that young minds just go bubbles like the actual activity, right? Itself. So it's not only visually exciting, it also introduces chemical reaction and the basic scientific principles in a hands-on way. So I absolutely love this traditional activity. Let's move over to color changing milk. Now, if you have your hands on some expiring milk or have already expired milk, this is a great activity to use up that milk with, right? This activity involves adding some drops of food coloring in the milk. You're going to lose sight of them. And then you want to swirl it around, swirl that milk around, and watch how the colors reappear and start to swirl together and dance together. Really love this visual, very stimulating activity just to explore the concepts of surface tension. Okay, so this is a great, simple, and quick activity. Now we're going to move over to density tower creation. Very mesmerizing, right? By layering those liquids up, you can add in purple, blue, clear, all containing different types of liquids. You got some oil, some water, some syrup. This is for kids who love captivating activities, right? Keep them engaged and keep them figuring out why. This activity defies gravity, right? This activity introduces kids to the concepts of density and properties of liquids. Excellent activity for you to try out. If you found some value in this quick video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can also share this with like-minded parents or teachers that you know. Until next time, continue on your journey.